Hi guys, this will be circuit number 6, pencil lead organ. Now, I've already been through it once, but the camera failed, so we're doing it a second time. We needed to rub some pencil lead on a bit of card, and we use that as a resistor later. So that's already done. That'll save us a bit of time. Okay, 25 to 176. 25, 176. That's the tags on the outside here, terminals. So 25, 176. 29 to 81, transistor to 58, battery. So 29 to 81. 29, 81, and then 81 to 58. We'll go blue. 30 to 79. It's a short one. 30, 79. 94. 79 to 94, another short one. 175. The other terminal. Okay. 50. Transformer to 93. 50 to 93. To 95 across to there. Done. 50, 93, 95. 51. Center tap to 26. There. Red one, I should think. 26. 51. So 141. 141 on-off switch. Go blue. 26 to 141 on-off switch. 52 to 80. The other side of that transistor. To 96. 80 to 96. (80 to 96), 53, the other side of the transformer, to 173, speaker. And then 54 to 174, the other side of the speaker. Then 60, battery, to 140, the on-off switch. Turn that off for now. And then finally, we need a couple of long wires. Right, that's it. Then we need that. And we need to turn it on. Okay. Can we see what I'm doing there? Just about. Yeah. No, I'll move the camera. Right, so I've moved the camera so you can see what I'm doing. So this is our bit of paper or bit of card that we've rubbed the pencil on. So we've got carbon here. So we hold that there. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, it works. So we're just using the carbon, and the length of the carbon gives us a higher resistance. So the closer we are to there, the higher the note. That'll do. Finished. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.